So, just did my heat. Came last. I'm a little bummed about it. I knew I was going to go out there and win, but I was feeling good. Kinda. Was feeling the track and thought everything was all greasy. Yep, we're on the way to LCQ. So we're done with the OCQ. I had a rookie mistake. A little frustrated with myself. I was determined to try to win. Gate dropped and stalled the bike. Practice to be doing with my drop gates at home, and I hope I can do better. The track wasn't terribly too hard. I think I could have made it to the main, but the first race I should have just tried harder. So we're wrapping up. Until next time. I unfortunately didn't serve no breakfast, but my son killed it as always. It's been like almost 2 years, a year and a half since I've even been on a bike. So I've never even ridden this 525. Got a lot of work to do on it. Hope I can find some more time to get some riding time down. I know I can do better than what I did. Still disappointed myself, but whatever. But I've always wanted to race since I was 3 years old, since I was a freshman. Finally made my debut of racing, and it went very poorly. But if I'm going to continue to do this, obviously I need to get some more work in, go to the gym more. I was out of breath quick too. But lesson learned. Until next time.